Brace yourself for a mind-bending spark. A single grain of space dust may have seeded the very chemistry that sparked life on Earth. When these stardust bits crashed into our world, they carried organic molecules that joined with early minerals, creating the first building blocks of life. Over billions of years, these microscopic travelers helped drive world-changing reactions, layer by layer, shaping the rise of cells. Scientists study these celestial messengers to map how life might begin elsewhere in the cosmos. Share this astonishing idea and comment with your thoughts, or pass it along to a friend.